Here are the top online business ideas that you should be really looking into and starting in 2022. So make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get right into this.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency, so make sure you subscribe, and I hope you guys enjoy the video.
Number one is obviously going to be SMMA. I run my own social media marketing agency. I'm doing it for 4 years now. There's still a lot of demand for business owners. There's actually more online businesses being made every single day than literally anything else. A lot of local businesses starting to go online as well. They're starting to recognize how much money they need to start investing in online marketing. So it's still a good time. It's not saturated. Whoever told you that is obviously not doing the numbers that I'm doing as far as an SMMA, or they have a money block. You need to understand that businesses are going online every single day. They always need your services, and a lot of people are switching from ad agency to ad agency to ad agency because a lot of ad agencies suck. There are a lot of churn and burn, and there's a lot of opportunity for you to get into the space. So SMA is number one. Number two is gonna be e-commerce, okay? Having your own brand that private labels a product that's a very trendy product that you've seen sell very well. You're able to prove the concept through drop shipping, and you can obviously then let that business run for 2 to 3 years, get enough cash flow, and you can maybe invest in other brands, or you can sell and exit your business. I know a bunch of people who are in my space that run e-com brands on the side, and then 3 years go by, they can sell it for a little bit over $1 mil, $2 mil, $3 mil, and they can exit and get a good payday. So e-commerce is something that is a lot more sellable, and it's easy for you to exit when you have all the assets that an e-com brand gives you. So your email list, your SMS, your ads, your data, all these different things, your Google Analytics, your Google Tag Manager, your store itself, right? Your social media pages, all those followers, all that content, all that engagement, those are all sellable points of a business. Sometimes with an agency, it's harder to sell because I'm the face of my agency, so it's harder to exit that when I decide to exit, right? I would only be selling my clients, not really the business, so it would be less money for me. But it is a more lucrative business, in my opinion, than e-commerce. Number three is if you don't really want to sell your own product, you want to sell other people's products that are proven without going through the trial and error process, you can do affiliate marketing. Okay, affiliate marketing is decently lucrative, but you just have to be a very good media buyer. So learning all the ad skills that you possibly can, having multiple traffic sources, having better tracking, understanding those concepts of media buying are going to allow you to be very effective with affiliate marketing. Number four is being a sales closer. I know a lot of people, they talk about sales closing and cold calling and all that stuff and how it's not crazy lucrative. I'm just gonna tell you this right now. I have friends who don't run agencies, who don't wanna do any of that and deal with clients who are just sales closers, and they make $10,000, $20,000, $30,000 a month simply sales closing. Getting qualified leads from business owners like myself who run ads, who get bookings, taking my sales calls and making decent money. So that is a very, very viable niche. And if you go to really good sales trainers, there's some like Cole Gordon, I forgot his name, but something minor. They're like seventh level. They do sales closing. Jeremy Minor, that's his name. Guys like that. He actually was on I was on one of his podcasts. Jeremy Minor is really good program for people who are looking to get into sales. Cole Gordon is a good program as well, where he places you with very successful entrepreneurs who can get you booked calls, and you just follow their script and you make money. Sales closing is very in demand right now. I'm looking for sales reps as well too. It is a very untapped niche in my opinion still, because it's very hard to find people who have good tonality, who have good transparency and loyalty to actually staying in a business owner's ecosystem long enough and not getting shiny object syndrome. So that's a very viable skill as well. And those are really the best online business ideas that I would be starting right now if I was just starting out. So I hope this video helped you maybe make a decision. If you want to start an SMMA in these next 30 days and land your first paying client, I just came out with my own program. It is in beta pricing or founders pricing. So videos are being added every single week right now, and you can get in for less than $100. Just click the link in the description below, and I hope to see you guys on the inside. But hope you guys subscribe, like the content. We're pushing videos out daily just like this to help you make more money online and scale your business in 2022. So hit the subscribe button. It is free. Like and comment any questions you have, and I will see you guys on tomorrow's video. Peace.
Hey, my name is Jason Wojo. Welcome to my channel. I run a multiple seven-figure agency. For the past 4 years, I've helped generate me and my clients over $75 million, and I've been featured in Entrepreneur Magazine and New York Weekly's 30 Under 30.